So hey guys, welcome back to the channel everyone. So this is my first technical review. I have an product uh, DJI Osmo Mobile 4. This is a mobile gimbal. Mobile gimbal means it actually stabilizes your phone footage. So right now I'm going to unbox it. So this is the box. It's quite compact. There are some manual instructions, nothing much. It create magnetic movements and active track 3.0, quick roll, gesture control and story mode. So let's unbox this. Let's open this. So guys, let's unbox this DJI Osmo Mobile 4. I am right now very excited. So let's tear this off. So here it says create magnetic movements. So let's check this. Let's keep this aside. So here it tells create magnetic movements. So here are some things. This is the pouch. This is DJI Osmo. These are some wipes to clean your phone and to attach that magnetic mount. Some kagad patra. So this is actually the template means alignment guide to actually this is an magnetic mount which permanently goes on your phone. This is a magnetic mount and this is like a ring holder. This goes permanently on your phone. I am not a big fan of this, but actually, so this is like an alignment. You just need to align this properly as per this says, and this will you just need to remove the sticker and this will go over here and done. Okay, I am not right now applying it because I don't need it. We have another clamp. So let's check what more inside. So this is an quick start guide. This thick. Engineering पुस्तक में आमचं. This is a quick start guide and some more disclaimer and warranty papers and everything. And here this is over. Now let's move to the main box. So this is our main box. This is quite looking good. First of all, silica gel. खाना है तो खा सकते हो. So this is a tripod. Build quality is quite good. Means it comes only in the combo pack. You get two different variants in this DJI Osmo Mobile 4. One is combo and one is single one. In single one you get only a gimbal, but in combo you get with a tripod. A tripod is a must for a gimbal. Oh, this is a tripod which has branding of DJI on it. It's quite a good quality material used over here. Good work DJI. So here it goes. So here is a C-type cable, as you can see, to charge the gimbal. So this is a new part of Osmo Mobile 4 which you do not get in Osmo Mobile 3. So this is a magnetic clamp. So means if you want to continuously use it in day-to-day use, so this is very handy. I will be showing you in the next part of the video how to attach this. So let's wait for it. Here is a riser for small mobiles like iPhone SE, iPhone 7, iPhone 8 and Samsung 8 and etc. So if the thickness is quite not good, so there is a riser given by DJI. So this is a foldable gimbal. The size of gimbal is equal to my hand. So it's quite compact. So it's pretty easy to open. Done. So first thing first, you need to calibrate. First thing first, you need to attach a tripod over here. This screw. So let's keep this and let's keep this aside. So this is the phone and this is the magnetic clamp. So just you need to attach it to your phone and so this is how it attach to mobile. So there is an, as you can see, there is a white dot over here and then white dot over here. So you need to match them just, and you just need to match them. Boom, it's ready. There you go. It's quite easy. So as you can see, there is no shake in the phone. The motors are quite strong. I will give a full review of this, means in the inside features of the DJI Osmo Mobile after a few days after using it. So stay tuned for the next part, and thank you for watching. So this was my first technical review about an gimbal. So if you liked it, tell me in the comments how do you liked it, and we will see you in next video. Thank you. Peace out.